strong. Never. This is Macy Gray, honey.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm telling you that
I'm not gonna wear it like that. Look, she does.
Yeah, that's the way. That's the way to do it.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a really quick installation for you guys. We're using this wig from RPGSHOW. It's so gorgeous. It is like a YAKI, straight, kinky, very just blown out look. This wig has the transparent lace with very small knots. As you can see, the knots are super duper small, and it has this really cool adjustable strap in the back. This is 18 inches. I will leave all the information below so that you guys can check it out. This wig came ready to wear. However, I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and I'm going to show you quickly how I plucked the hairline. The hairline was pre-plucked, but of course we have to go in and pluck just a little bit more to even out the pre-plucked in the front. I'm just going behind and plucking behind that hairline just so that the flow is very even. I will leave below my tweezers if you guys are interested. I've had these tweezers for about a year, almost 2 years. So yeah, they work really good. Okay, so for this video, I am using a model. This is one of my really good friends. We've been friends literally like our whole lives. So just a quick disclaimer, you guys, this was very late. We had some wine, and this video is going to be a little lit. So anyway, this is what the braid pattern looks like. Simple straight back braids, nothing fancy. Right now, we're just going to try the wig so we can see what it looks like. And she was a little hesitant at first.
Ooh, this is black brother strong. Never try to hurt you. Yeah, I'm here for you forever true.
You see what I'm saying? Off the chain tonight. Off the chain. Okay. So sit back and watch how I slay this wig, hunty.
What? Look at that 4-inch part.
Actually, it sinks.
Oh, that's a whole sub sandwich.
Huh?
Oh.
Nothing but fun, and this is just the beginning. First thing we're going to do is cut the lace. And after we cut the lace, we're going to go ahead and outline the hairline so that we know exactly where we want to place the adhesive, and then we will apply the adhesive. Now this step is optional. It kind of depends on the clients. For her, I'm going to go ahead and outline it with a white pencil just so I know where to place the lace exactly and where to place the adhesive. Typically when I don't use a stocking cap underneath, this is when I use the trace method. I'm not using a cap with her because she has a lot of like forehead space, so I'm pulling it above her hairline and it's laying really good, so there's no need for me to have a cap. So we're going to be using Bold Hold Active. I've been testing this out and it seems to be working out pretty good. I'm going to do 3 coats using a popsicle stick. taking a blow dryer on cool and just finishing off this adhesive. Make sure that it's nice and clear. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and just press it in. I like to start in the center first. And I don't really mash it in all the way because I may need to adjust it. So you see I just kind of tapped it a little bit. And then I'm going to go back and completely mash it into the skin or press it into the skin so that it lays really flat. But I like to make sure that I position it accurately. So go in and just take your time with this. I use the back of a comb and a blow dryer along with my fingers. Make sure your fingers are nice and clean and you should be good to go. One thing about RPGSHOW that never fails me is the hairline, okay? Look at this hairline. Look how it blends. The lace is just blending into her skin. So lovely. I'm going to go ahead and just cut away excess lace. Sometimes, you guys, you can glue that down, but I'm just going to cut away the excess. I'm gonna create some baby hairs.
Oh,
I know that's everybody here.
that's the best part, because I don't have none.
All right, you guys. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys how I do my baby hairs. Even though this is something that I don't show because I literally take forever to do it. But I figured I'll just go ahead and just record. So I part off a little section and then I use a razor and cut them pretty long, just about 1 inch long. And then I go in with mousse, and I like to use tropical roots because it does not lift. But I will tell you guys, I only use tropical roots mousse on the baby hairs. I try not to use it on the hair because it will make the hair hard.
Ooh, look how she laying that down. Child, child, child. Ooh, now I got to be going somewhere. That's why he said, where's you going? Because my listen, my 6th graders will be so excited right now. Miss Cece, who did your edges? That's all they want to talk about is edges.
I'm just going to mold it down, and I'm going to sit her under the dryer for at least 15 minutes. 15 to 30 minutes, and then once you're done, go ahead and remove it, and it's going to blend really, really lovely, as you can see right there. Looking good. And the good thing about that is, you guys, you can brush those out as well. So now we're going to flat iron it, and it looks like a lovely, I don't even, like a relaxed, no, not relaxed, but natural hair that's completely like flat iron. Like it reminds me of like my own texture. I love it. And I love how it doesn't get completely bone straight. It has a little bit of wave in it, which makes it look even more natural. We were actually on Facebook Live while we were recording this video, and everybody loved it. They loved the texture of it. I'm bumping the ends a little bit just to give it a little bit of body.
Oh yes, come on, bumped ends.
A little volume.
Little
This is
volume.
definitely ministry hair.
Yep.
Yes, come on.
I can lead the saints in this
You sure can.
and still be humble.
This completes the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think below in the comment section. This wig is gorgeous, okay? Very gorgeous. I will leave the details below so that you guys can check it out. Like I said, we bumped the ends a little bit. It looks very natural. It's not completely bone straight, but it has like that natural pressed out look which resembles African American texture to the T. Like I love it. Yeah, thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you guys in the next video.